machine, and I departed. That's right, I got a time machine. It fits inside of my apartment. It only works for me and goes as far as 20 years back, only into the past. I don't remember when I started. My TV and remote are its controls, and there is a dirty purple couch that serves as its command chair, and all these old high A tapes I pump into its fuel lines. I watch them chain smoking as I travel through time.
Well, I was playing hero in 1999. The angel sent for me was swallowed up by time. 10,000 cigarettes I dedicate your name, but the future refused to change.
So I set a course for 1996 again, and visit my old bands, my college roommates and friends. This time around, though, I know where all these bros will go. So young and hungry then, that was like 1,000 shows ago. Next I check in with the next in 98. Try not to think of how it ends as I rewind the tape. In Y2K I find the day I fly away. I try to say, just wait, it's a mistake, but I can't, this isn't my today.
Gone to the dark of time, no future and no past. Hold on to memories and more that cannot last. Time scars and falling stars commemorate our reign, but the future refused to change.
In 2004, a brand new city puts excitement on my face. That guy doesn't know the toll upon his soul that it will take. In 6, I listen to the vows I know I'll never keep. In 8, I'm blowing up, though I've nearly reached my peak. In 10, 11, 12, I laugh with pals that will be gone. In 13, can't unstart the final fight had with my mom. I travel back a year and find there's nothing there to miss, 'cause by